Hi, my name is Himani. I'm a travel content creator and small business owner. If you're also someone like me, you know photo tell a story, but videos sell the story. So today I'll show you how you can turn your photos into scroll stopping videos by using Adobe Express. No editing skills needed. Whether you're sharing travel moments, showcasing handmade products, or launching a service, short videos made from your photos can boost engagement by up to 10x. And the best part? Adobe Express makes it insanely easy. Now head to Adobe Express, click on video and select a template to start with. Upload your images, maybe it's your best-selling items or newly launched products, or even client testimonials in photo form. For me, these are my latest travel photos to make a reel which can be used on the social media channels for my small business to get leads. Now comes the fun part. Add text to tell your story. Drop in your logo and choose from tons of royalty-free music. You can even tweak the timing and add smooth transitions. Once you are happy, hit preview and export. In just minutes, you've got a video ready for Instagram, Facebook, Reels or YouTube Shorts. How cool! So here's how I used it to turn photos from my recent trip into a travel reel. Which I can now use as an asset to get leads for my travel company. So whether you are a small business owner or a creator like me, Adobe Express is your online photo to video maker. Try it now. Website link is in the caption. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.